This is how the question is trying to catch you out. In the diagram below, B in the image of A. Describe fully the single transformation that maps A onto B. So first of all, we're going to look at A, which is how to get into B. We know A is going to be vectors. Now vectors, it just basically means when the top number for the positive it goes right, but if it's a negative it goes left. And the bottom number which goes up, which means a positive, but if it's a negative it goes down. When you count the each square, it's going to be the left. It's going to be a -3. And going down by 1, it's going to be a -1. And then in an exam, tracing paper may be used when you're going to flip it over of rotational, because sometimes they might ask you to it. So I've drawn just like as a tracing paper, and if you turn it of 90 degree, I will get the exact same like this. And make sure you're familiar of anti-clockwise. For anti-clockwise just means left, but if it's just a clockwise, it just means turn the right. For a 90 degree, it's just turning the left. Now, part B. Translate shape B by the vector of -1 on the top, the bottom of -4. Label the image as C. Like I said, remember, if it's positive, you go right, but if it's a negative, you go left. But if it's a bottom, you go to the positive up, but if it's a negative, you go down. Because of the -1, you go to the left. And then you go down by -4. If you don't have a tracing paper or if you don't know how, just keep going the same as plotted point until you draw the shape. I've plotted the point, and here goes the magic. And this is how you should draw it like this, and don't forget to put a C to not lose another mark. Usually for 2, but mostly likely 1. And I hope you find it useful of clockwise and anti-clockwise. And let me know if you have any questions.